Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the court one of your favorite PE teachers from Aspendale Gardens Primary School. The one, the only, Mr. King.
Hello students of AGPS. Mr. King here, ready to play some bottle bowling. Is everyone else ready to play? Excellent. However, before I do play, I am going to need some help today. And luckily for me, I've been able to recruit someone very special. I have been able to recruit the one, the only, Mr. Murphy! Where'd you go, Mr. Murphy?
Sorry, the celebration, I just got excited. I got carried away.
That's okay.
I'm not used to that.
That's alright, Mr. Murphy.
How are you? You
Very well. Ready to play?
Ready to play some bottle bowling?
Yes.
Mr.
But
King.
have you got a question for him first?
I do have a question.
Cool.
Do you guys at home think you have what it takes to beat Mr. King and I at bottle bowling?
Excellent. So, I guess there's only one way to find out, and Mr. Murphy, that is to play some bottle bowling. So everyone, let's get into it.
Bowl number 1. Bowl number 2. Bowl number 3.
I was scared of dentists and the dark.
Bowl number 4.
I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magicians assist in their dream.
Bowl number 5. Bowl number 6. Bowl number 7. Bowl number 8. Bowl number 9.
This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy is running from himself.
Bowl number 10.
She's been living on the high shelf. And the cow monster running down to the river.
Alright, everyone. So there you have it. There is our 10 shots at bottle bowling, done and dusted. How did we go, everyone? Did we do okay?
Wait.
Excellent.
Alrighty guys, you know the drill. If you manage to get more points than Mr. King and myself did in your 10 shots of bottle bowling, then you guessed it, you are the bottle bowling champions.
I hope they do, because we had a pretty good score, but I reckon they might do better than us, Mr. Murphy.
Absolutely. Everyone, good luck.
And have some fun.